everyone, how are you doing? It's Lucia Turok here, and today I have something special for you. I will be showing you this commercial space on Strutton Ground in Westminster, which is available to let. This commercial space has around 750 square feet, which is around 69 square meters on the ground floor, and there is also a basement for about 502 square feet. This commercial space is available to let for £30,000 per annum, and the EPC energy rating is C. Let me show you around. This is the main entrance, and let me show you now some ideas what it can have a potential to be like. What I was thinking about, it can be ideal retail space, so you can have like a clothing shop here, or maybe pilates studio. What do you think, guys? So maybe you can have a reception desk here. This space is really bright and spacious, and you can have here actually anything. It can be even coffee shop or even office. You have space for a lot of desks here, and also you can put like sofa chairs or some sofa with a table. And maybe you can't see right now, but you have a lot of people walking around. Hi. So yeah, so you will always have any guests or clients here. And let me show you around so you can see another parts of this commercial space. Come with me. We have two leading doors on this side. The first one are leading to basement, which I will show you a little bit later at the end. But these ones are leading to another part. So yes, so this is actually perfect for if you want to have separate door to some storage room and then WC, or you can literally like close this wall, and in case you have an office here or maybe some different kind of stuff, so you can have a probably like a kitchen for like coffee or any kind of small food preparation, or you can have even clock room here, depends what you need. And this is not it. This is the L-shaped space, which can still be used for display any of your products, or you can have it as an office space, probably like a meeting room. And I really can imagine here beautiful French glass doors. Yeah, that's it. Let me show you around. So here you can have some sitting area, or if you want to relax, maybe you have some other person or staff who is at the front, and you can relax in the back, or to do your emails or to catch up. And here probably the best will be to put like meeting table or like a huge desk with the chairs, TV. So still, if you're presenting your products, doesn't matter which part is it, if it's real estate, or it can be a gallery, or you are selling a clothes, or maybe you have some, I don't know, you are selling coffee. You can still use it. And the big plus is also that you have entrance to a patio from this side as well. And this is lovely patio. It's raining today in London, but still, if you put nice coffee table here and chairs, you can still sit here and enjoy your coffee, or to have a little bit of green and private space in central London. From this patio, we are going to the front of this commercial space. You have a toilet here with a sink. Beautiful, modern, and here you have some storage space, or you can use it for a safe. And these doors are leading to the front of the shop. And now let me show you basement. Come. We are in the basement, and it has around 509 square feet, which I already mentioned. It's a little bit lower ceiling here. However, I'm wearing high heels and I still can walk easily. So I will put your measurements and the floor plan on the screen here. And actually you can use it for storage. You can put here a lot of shelves, or maybe to store some paperwork or your products. Yeah, perfect. What do you think, guys? Okay, let's get upstairs. I hope that you like basement too. And now we are back on the main shop floor. This place was recently refurbished as well. So if you would like to know more information, please check the description box down below. Also, I can provide you more computer-generated images. And yes, that's pretty much everything. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next one. Bye!